Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into a crucial topic for any software developer: secure software licensing. If you've ever worried about how to protect your intellectual property and ensure that only licensed users access your software, then you're in the right place. Software licensing is essential for protecting your software applications against unauthorized use and distribution. In this video, we'll walk through implementing secure software licensing in Java step by step. We'll cover how to generate secure keys, validate them, and integrate them into your Java application. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Understanding software licensing concepts. 2. Generating secure license keys. 3. Validating license keys. 4. Storing licenses securely. 5. Integrating the licensing logic into a Java application. Let's jump right in by understanding the basic concepts of software licensing. A software license is a legal document that outlines how a user can use your software. It can detail things like whether the user can redistribute the software, run it on multiple devices, or access source code. Now, let's discuss what makes a software license secure. A secure license typically involves cryptographic techniques to verify its authenticity and integrity. This often includes public-private key pairs, hashes, and timestamp validations. To illustrate this, let's start by defining a simple class for our license key. This class will hold the license information and the logic required for validation. Here's a possible implementation. Alright, this license class has two properties: license key and expiration date. The isValid method checks if the license is still valid based on the current date. Now we need a way to generate these license keys securely. For generating a secure license key, we'll need a cryptographic library. Java provides various options, and for this example, we will use the Java cryptography architecture. You can create license keys by encrypting some user-specific information along with expiration data. In our license key generator, we're using AES encryption to encrypt user-specific information along with the expiration date. Note that you will have to keep your secret key safe, as it's essential for decrypting the license keys later. Now, let's move on to license key validation. We need to create a method that takes an encrypted license key and validates it against the stored user information and expiration date. Let's again use AES for this purpose. Here, we decrypt the provided license key and split the decrypted data into user information and expiration timestamp. We then create a license object and check its validity. It's crucial to maintain the integrity of the decryption process and ensure that the secret key used for validation is the same as the one used during encryption. Next up, let's talk about securely storing your license keys. Depending on the nature of your application, you might choose different storage solutions. Typical options include databases, configuration files, or cloud-based solutions. Always ensure that your storage solution is protected and use encryption for any sensitive data. Now, let's integrate the licensing logic into our Java application. For demonstration, let's create a simple command line application that prompts the user for their license key. In this License Manager class, we synthesize our earlier logic. We create a secret key, generate a license key for a user, and then validate that key. Finally, it's crucial to follow best practices in software licensing. This includes keeping your license generation and validation algorithms secure, rotating keys periodically, monitoring for unauthorized access attempts, providing a means for users to report license issues effectively. And there you have it. You've just built a secure software licensing system in Java. Remember, protecting your software not only safeguards your intellectual property, but also ensures that your users have a quality experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials like this in the future. Also, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any topics you'd like us to cover next.